Meet Dale Carnegie, the brilliant mind behind how to win friends and influence people. Dale Carnegie, a name synonymous with success, gifted the world with his timeless masterpiece, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Published in 1936, this book transcends generations, offering profound insights into human nature and relationships. Carnegie's wisdom lies in its simplicity. To win friends and influence people, we must first understand and connect with them. His principles resonate because they tap into a fundamental human desire, the need for connection and belonging. By mastering these principles, we unlock the secrets to building meaningful relationships. These principles are about genuine connection, empathy, and understanding. How to Win Friends and Influence People is more than just a self-help book. It is a guide to unlocking our true potential. It teaches us that success is not merely about what we achieve, but also about the relationships we build along the way. By embracing Carnegie's wisdom, we transform our interactions with others and our perception of ourselves. Winning hearts and minds, empathy and appreciation in action. One of the most powerful principles espoused by Carnegie is the importance of empathy and appreciation. Criticism, often our default response to disagreements or shortcomings, rarely yields positive results. Instead of fostering understanding, it breeds resentment and defensiveness. To truly connect with others, we must replace criticism with empathy. Empathy requires us to step outside our own perspectives and see the world through the eyes of others. It's about understanding their motivations, their fears, and their aspirations. When we approach interactions with empathy, we create a safe space for open communication and genuine connection. Equally important is the power of sincere appreciation. Everyone craves recognition and validation. A simple thank you or a genuine compliment can brighten someone's day and foster a sense of goodwill. When we show appreciation, we acknowledge the efforts and contributions of others, making them feel valued and respected. Imagine a manager who constantly criticizes their team for minor mistakes. The team morale plummets, creativity is stifled, and productivity suffers. Now, envision a leader who focuses on recognizing achievements, offering constructive feedback, and expressing gratitude for hard work. The results are undeniable: a motivated team, a positive work environment, and increased productivity. Mastering the art of communication, avoiding arguments, inspiring cooperation. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any successful relationship. Carnegie emphasizes the futility of arguments, highlighting their detrimental impact on relationships. Arguments rarely lead to resolution. Instead, they often escalate conflicts and create lasting animosity. Instead of engaging in heated debates, Carnegie advocates for a more diplomatic approach. Seek to understand the other person's perspective, even if you disagree with it. Listen attentively, ask clarifying questions, and strive to find common ground. By focusing on understanding rather than winning, you pave the way for constructive dialogue and mutually beneficial solutions. Another powerful communication strategy is to offer suggestions instead of issuing orders. No one likes to be told what to do. When we present our ideas as suggestions, we invite collaboration and give others a sense of ownership over the decision-making process. This approach fosters a more positive and productive environment, encouraging buy-in and cooperation. For instance, instead of telling your team, "We need to improve our sales figures," try suggesting, "What if we brainstorm some creative marketing strategies to boost our sales?" By framing your request as a collaborative effort, you empower your team and inspire them to contribute their best ideas. Section 4. The importance of recognition, making people feel valued. At the heart of Carnegie's philosophy lies a fundamental truth about human nature. Everyone yearns to feel important and valued. When we recognize and acknowledge this innate need in others, we unlock a powerful force for building strong and lasting relationships. This recognition goes beyond mere courtesy. It's about genuine appreciation for who they are and what they bring to the table. It's about celebrating their successes, big or small, and offering support during challenging times. When people feel genuinely valued, they become more engaged, more productive, and more willing to contribute their best efforts. They are also more likely to reciprocate with loyalty, respect, and support. Think of a time when someone went out of their way to recognize your efforts or acknowledge your achievements. How did it make you feel? Chances are, it boosted your confidence, motivated you to work harder, and strengthened your bond with that person. This principle applies to all aspects of life, from personal relationships to professional interactions. By making a conscious effort to make others feel valued, we create a ripple effect of positivity, fostering stronger connections and a more fulfilling life. Section 5. Practical Techniques for Building Rapport, Remembering Names. Offering smiles. Carnegie provides practical techniques to translate these principles into action. One such technique is the simple yet often overlooked art of remembering names. A person's name is the sweetest sound in any language. When we take the time to remember and use someone's name, we convey respect, interest, and a genuine desire to connect. This simple act can have a profound impact on our interactions, making others feel seen, heard, and valued. It transforms a fleeting encounter into a memorable connection. Another powerful tool for building rapport is the universal language of a smile. A genuine smile transcends cultural barriers and instantly disarms even the most guarded individuals. It communicates warmth, openness, and approachability, setting the stage for positive interactions. Whether we're meeting someone for the first time or greeting a familiar face, a smile can make all the difference in establishing a connection. Imagine attending a networking event and meeting a room full of new faces. The person who remembers your name and greets you with a warm smile will undoubtedly make a more lasting impression than someone who forgets your name moments after you've met. Section 6. Leading with humility, admitting mistakes, praising progress. True leadership is about inspiring others through example. Carnegie advocates for humility, where admitting mistakes and praising progress take precedence over ego. Admitting mistakes fosters trust and respect. It creates a culture where it's safe for others to do the same. This encourages open communication and learning. Praising progress, no matter how small, fuels motivation. Specific, genuine praise inspires greater heights. Section 7. A timeless blueprint for success, cultivating meaningful connections. Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People is more than just a self-help book. It's a timeless blueprint for building meaningful connections and living a more fulfilling life. Its principles, rooted in empathy, appreciation, and understanding, transcend time and cultural boundaries. By embracing these principles, we embark on a continuous journey of self-improvement, learning to navigate the complexities of human interaction with greater awareness and skill. We discover that success is not merely about achieving our own goals, but about empowering others to reach their full potential. The true legacy of Carnegie's work lies in its ability to transform lives. By applying these principles in our daily interactions, we create a ripple effect of positivity, fostering stronger relationships, building more supportive communities, and ultimately, making the world a better place. It's a journey worth taking, one genuine connection at a time.